Good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. Today I am here at the Global Summit on Artificial Intelligence. This is the Tudor Summit being held in New Delhi. We have people from across the globe. The IT Minister, Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, has inaugurated, along with the Minister of State, Mr. Jitin Prasad. We had the NASSCOM director. We had the Minister from Japan. And we had several other dignitaries were there from all countries. So we have parallel sessions going on. We have this exhibition area. So now we are going to talk to a person. You're a software engineer? Yes. So he will introduce himself and his company and what they do in the AI space. Sir.
So I'm Vihan and I'm part of Indigen Labs. And Indigen Labs is set out to build relevant language models. You might have heard about large language models, but what we do is we build small relevant language models which are specific for a domain, and they can be further fine-tuned or trained for a specific organization. Right. So what we ensure is these models are very efficient to run on. They can run on small hardware. They're very cost efficient, so it doesn't require a lot of money to run them. Right, and we can run them on really small infrastructure. So more people can use them, and more people can use them instead of something like ChatGPT or Gemini, which are very generic and models which cost a lot. Right. So what we ensure is our models are always on brand. They do not hallucinate. They provide certain security and ensurety that they will not go on off brand.
Okay, that's good. And you have your other team members also.
Yes.
So if you can talk about them, and then we can get them also.
Sure. So we have.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We have Preeti as well.
Ma'am,
Preeti.
please join for a second. Come on. Yeah. You're being introduced.
This is Preeti. She's heading our business efforts and some product development work as well.
So would you like to speak something about today's event, ma'am?
So, for today's event,
Yeah,
I think
yes.
this is the platform that all the startups require. What we do is we know what is to be done in the technical area, right? We've done some innovations. But what is lacking in today's world is the platform or the exposure that, really startups really need, right? So I think this platform gives us that, and we are thankful to the government of India to have this.
Wonderful. And you want to talk something about your company?
Indigen Labs is a 6-month-old company. We are primarily into the generative AI space, but what we've done is in the last 10 years, we've been working with AI and ML, right? Our models that I don't know whether Vihan spoke, but our models are on the top of the global LLM leaderboard. The only company that's above us is Google. So I think we're the only Make in India company to be out there. So.
But he's left. We will have to get him back on board. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Please come. We had some good words from ma'am. So ma'am will repeat.
Yeah,
Please,
so
ma'am.
I just spoke to them about how our models are on the top of the global LLM leaderboard, and I feel that by far he is the best AI scientist in the world.
Yeah, so what do you want to
so-
respond with that kind of, she's
I'm humbled.
You're wonderful. No, I am humbled, and it's so nice for me to be talking to such nice people. So ma'am, what do you think is the way out? What you said, the exposure is not there. We are trying to do our bit. So what do you want to say to the
This-
IT minister?
Oh,
That
there's extreme talent in India. I think we can very easily, hands down, compete with any of these global names that are out there, right? Like I said earlier, the only requirement or the only request that I have from the government of India is to give us that platform somehow. What happens is, there are very rare opportunities that we really get to speak about ourselves, about what we are doing, what are differentiators, right? So I think if we are given such platforms, then that will be nice.
So I think today ma'am has addressed a problem which I realized many years back, and that was our intention to get into this YouTube space where we are trying to get you the best people across India. So we bring them, and we will request ma'am that if she can pen this down, and we can give that letter to the secretary, because see, they have a lot of plans, policies in the making, and we need more exposure. Like in Niti Aayog, they have set a drone center.
See, the other thing that I want to really get to, let's say, the government is, many of the customers that we talk to, many of the prospects that we talk to, everybody says, you know what, we are very much interested in adopting Gen AI in our organization. But what are the use cases? So most of the times they do not know what to solve with generative AI. So the idea is for us to go and create those AI center of excellence. What we do as a company, what we do is we get into this whole consultative mode with them where we try to kind of understand their tech architecture, their problem statements, and how we can plug it with the help of Gen AI by creating an AI center of excellence.
Today morning, I just wanted to add, today morning the Minister Ashwini Vaishnavji remarked that we are going to build an innovation center. So then after he came out and every media was present, so my question to him at that point was, so where is it going to be located? So he said we are working out on the modalities. So as you rightly put it, so your thing, I think now next time when we are going to meet the minister, we have informal, interaction with him. So I'll bring out this thing so that because they know.
We help companies adopt AI, ML, and generative AI by creating AI center of excellence and being into a consultative mode with them.
So it's in the pipeline, but how fast they implement it, and as the political scene is, I wish that it's implemented before 2029. So thank you very much. This is Sanjay Agarwal signing off with my senior friend, Mr. Malik. Thank you.